Good morning, children. So, children, today we will do this one. You see here, page 38 and 39. Okay. So, this is learning with Ladybird. Now, here we are going to learn adjectives that are ending in ed and ing. Okay. So, you see here, we use ed adjectives to talk about how we feel, our feelings. Okay. I am tired. If I say you, I am tired playing in the sun. So, this is I am tired. My feeling I am saying that I am very tired. Okay. So, now you see here, we are bored. The rain is boring. We are bored. Here, a child is saying we are bored. The first picture you see, we are bored. The rain is boring. So, both the words you see B-O-R-E-D, this is ending in E-D, and B-O-R-I-N-G, this is ending in I-N-G. So, we are bored. This sentence tells us about the feeling we are bored. And the next sentence, they make us feel that way. The rain is boring. So, see, they are related. Both the sentences are related. We are bored and the rain is boring. Okay, why we are bored? Because the rain is boring. Okay, because of the rain. So, next sentence you see, I am excited. This game is exciting. I am, a person, a little boy is saying, I am excited. This is a feeling. That excitement is there. That is the feeling, excited. Because this game is exciting. He is doing some activity because of that. He is playing a game which is exciting. Okay. Next number you see, they are interested. The sky is interesting. They are interested. Why? Because of the sky is interesting. She is pleased. This cake is pleasing. Why she is pleased? Pleased means very happy. You can say why she is pleased? Because this cake is very pleasing. She is frightened. This is a feeling. Frightened is a feeling. The snake is frightening. Because of the snake, she is frightened. So you can say she is confused. The book is confusing. Confused is a feeling. Okay, why she is confused? Because of the book. Because the book is confusing. Okay, children, let us do this one. Circle the correct words. Exercise 1, let us do. Okay, number 1 you see, this movie is so excited. Let us do here. This is number 1 actually. Let us write here. Number 1. Number 1. This movie is so excited. Okay, or exciting. Now, excited, or you can say exciting. This like this, exciting. We have to choose. This movie is so excited. This movie is so exciting. So, what we are going to say here? This movie is so exciting. So, because why we are using here exciting? Because that makes us feel the way. Okay, that makes us feel the way, exciting. This movie is so exciting. So, we are going to circle this. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, this movie is so exciting. Okay, number 2. The students were very worried, or the students were very worrying about the exam. So, let us write the sentence first. Were worried or worrying about the exam. So please see here, the students were very worried. This is a feeling, okay? Feeling. The students are very worried about the exam. Okay. Next, number 3, number please see. Do you think this book is interested or interesting? Do you think? This book is interested or interesting? Do you think this book is interesting? Okay. So let us circle this one. This one. Do you think this book is interesting? Because that makes us feel the way. That makes us feel. Okay. So do you think this book is interesting? Next number you see, number 4. James was very, I'll write down, surprised or James was very surprised or surprising when he saw his presence. So let us write here. See, please see the sentence. James was very surprised or surprising, okay, when he saw his presence. So James was very surprised. This is a feeling. This is a feeling. James was very surprised when he saw his presence. Now children, I shall do number 5 and number 6. Okay. Please see. Number 5 you see. The children were excited and exciting. The children were excited or exciting when they saw the lion. When they saw the lion. So children, you see here, the children were excited or exciting. So obviously the children were excited. This is a feeling. Okay, the children were excited when they saw the lion. Number 6 you see, the football match was bored or boring. Was bored or boring. So the football match was boring. This tells us the way we feel, okay? Boring tells us the way we feel. So the football match was boring. So children, please see here, the children were excited when they saw the lion. The football match was boring. Okay? Now you see number 2, write about yourself. This you have to write about yourself. You are going to write this. I think that dash is interesting. I think that playing football is interesting. Whatever you want to write, okay? I always feel surprised when I think about you. I think that dash is boring. I think that, you can say anything. I think that studying is boring, you can say, isn't it? I think that can say, I think that reading is boring. Some children, they don't like reading, okay. So you can just use your own. I was excited when we met. You can say, I was excited when we met. I was excited when we went to the market. Any sentence you can use to finish this. According to your choice, you can do this, okay. So children, exercise 1, please do it in the book as well as in the copy also you do it. And exercise 2, no need to do in the copy, you have to do it in the book itself. Thank you.